Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a 19 and 2019 update for you guys. This is what, the 8-month update. 8 months. We're going strong on 8 months, and yeah, we are almost to the finish line, but not yet. We still have 4 more months to go. But yeah, I have an update for you guys. I did finish up 3 products, and then I have pretty good progress on everything else. So if you are loving project pans, then definitely continue watching. Also, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I do upload 3 times a week, Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, so definitely subscribe so you don't miss out. And yeah, let's just go ahead and jump right in. Definitely going to start off with the products that I finished up. So the first product I finished up was my Lorac Behind the Scenes Eye Primer, and this was in my intro from this project. I had started up here, and then I had a couple updates, and now this is officially done. I've been like going to the side and pushing it up, and there's no product that comes out, and I'm really glad I'm finally done with this because I've been shopping my stash and I'm gonna start like incorporating eyeshadow primers, and I used the P. Louise base, and that one's like super creamy and it just applied super nicely, and this one was like tugging on my eyelids a little bit, which told me that this was super old, which I already knew, but it's like really letting me know that it's old, you know what I mean? But I'm glad I finished this up, and I'm glad I have a good progress to share with you guys. Next product I finished up is this NYC Smooth Skin Loose Face Powder. So I am all done with this, as you can see. When I put this in, it was like halfway. I was 61 grams, then 55 grams, and then 50, and now there's whatever this weighs. I should weigh it to see how many grams this actually was. But again, this is empty. There's nothing in here. I think I'm going to save it for like other... I don't know, just to kind of have like an empty container for other powders maybe, because I know like the RCMA no color powder, I don't know if I think I have it in a Laura Mercier empty container, but I don't know, this can work out for me for something in the future, I'm assuming. And then the last product I finished up was this Smashbox Photo Finish So Chill Coconut Primer Water. And when I included this, it was up here when I first put it in this project, and then in my last update it was right here, and now I'm all done. As you can see, there's a little bit of product, but you know, I've pretty much finished it up. So yeah, I really like this. I use this to prime my skin, and I also actually used it to kind of hydrate the skin after like skincare as well. It works really nicely. It smells super good. Yeah, I just finished that up, which I'm super excited for. I also did pick 3 new products to include to replace those products, so I will include those at the end of the video. So let's continue on with the next products that were in this project. I actually put this in my previous update, my 6-month mark, because I put this in to replace 2 products. So this is a 2-product project, I guess. This is the Benefit Cheekathon, and in this project I had include Hoola and Dallas, which I've actually been mixing both of these two when I've been using them, but as you can see, no real progress on this. There is still a whole bunch of product, and I actually want to just hit pan. I don't want to try to finish it, especially by the end of the year. So again, I am trying to pan Hoola and Dallas, and yeah, as you can see, no real progress on there. So next up, I'm going to share with you guys, I probably could have finished this. To be honest, I wasn't really focusing on Project Pan super hard. I've been like focusing a lot on Shop My Stash products, which I need to focus again back to Project Pan because this is my like main priority. Yes, Shop My Stash is also a priority because I want to rotate all of my stuff, but I want to hit goals on these Project Pan products as well. So next up is this Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. I have mine in shade 220 Natural Beige. I definitely have used some of this product up, but as you can see, I still have quite a bit left. I'm actually going to repress this after this video. I thought about doing the repressing a few days ago, and I'm like, no, let me just like show them how much progress I have. And yeah, I'm going to repress this in the next few days, and then I think for sure in my next update I will be done with this. But next up, another product that I could have finished, but I came short on time and didn't finish it, is the Stila One Step Correct. When I first started this project, it was new, it was down here. And as you can see, this was my last update, and now I'm up here, just about done, but didn't make it. I'm going to mark it now so I know where I'm at. This is another product that I'll hopefully, I was gonna say definitely, but like hopefully I can finish up in the next update. In 2 months, I should definitely be able to finish those 2 up. Another product that I've been doing super well on as well, but I thought I was done, but then I kind of like really hit it hard to kind of get the foundation to come down, and then more comes out. So I did do like a video on this in the lighting so you guys can kind of see, because there's like really no way for me to really see how much product is left in here. This is the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Plus. This is in the old packaging. So when I started this product in this project, it was to the top line, then it was to that line, and now I can't really see where it's at. I think hopefully I can finish this up in the next project as well. I've actually only finished 9 products in this project, and I want to finish 19, so I still got 10 more products to go. So there's 3 more right here if I finish up in the next like month or so. So hopefully you guys, I don't know about everything that I have up in here. Next up, I have this Tarte CC Under Eye Corrector. I have mine in light medium. I've definitely made progress on this, and here is what that is looking like. I don't think I'll finish this in the next update, maybe half of what's left, but for sure by the finale, I think I can probably finish half of what's left by the next update. So yeah, I do like it. I use it for the under eyes to correct my dark circles when I remember. Yeah, it does the job, but when I use it, it does, but when I don't, obviously it doesn't. I put this in the 6-month update. It replaced something. This is the Becca First Light Priming Filter, and when I put it in here, this was the first update, and now I'm right there. You know, slow and steady progress. I feel like I've been doing super bad in my Project Pan. I should really focus on Project Pan products one of these weeks during a Shop My Stash, because I really should be focusing. Next up, I have 2 highlighters, and you guys, it's probably looks the same as from my last. I didn't look at the pictures, so I'm not really sure what the progress is, but this is the Balm Mary Luminizer, and no pan. My goal for this was just to hit pan, and as you can see, no pan yet. It's just crumbling apart from the top, but I need to use these. I also don't have any pan on my Laura Geller Baked Gelato in Gilded Honey. I thought I was super close in my last update, and then I think I used it a handful of times, these 2, and then I just never did. Hitting pan. You guys, hit pan in my next update for sure, in my 8-month mark. I am putting that goal for sure for myself. So here is the Laura Geller Baked Gelato. I have lipstick on my teeth. But yeah, as you can see, no pan. 8-month mark, you guys. I'm doing it. I have 2 ColourPop Super Shock shadows. You guys, these were super easy for me to pan last year, and for some reason I'm just not reaching for these at all. The first one is this shade in Weenie. This was in collab with Kathleen Lights. As you can see here, no pan. I am seeing like the rim actually, kind of, I think, like the middle part. Can you guys see me back here? I'm like, yeah, no pan. And my goal for these 2 were to hit pan. And then this one I have used a few times, but no pan either. You can kind of see a dip in this one actually, but no pan. I'm hoping in the 8-month mark I will have pan. But I'm kind of thinking right now this is a rolling project pan, but I don't think I'm going to want to roll stuff in, especially stuff that's kind of hard when I have 2 months left in the project, you know? But no pan in these. So I have 2 eyeshadow palettes in here. I was kind of thinking I should probably do like a pan that palette, like a separate video for like pan my palette. Maybe next year, we'll see. So this one is the Urban Decay Naked 2 Basics palette. I didn't see pictures before I started filming, so I'm not really sure where I'm at. I think I probably have used more of the lightest shade, but as you can see, there's still product in there. I didn't have, and there's like a dip in this one, but I don't see a pan anytime soon. Yeah, I'm not doing the greatest. Another palette I had is this Lorac Pro 2 palette, and I definitely don't have any pan. I think I have like close to pan in the purple one, but no new pans from the last update. You guys, I was on a roll about like hitting pan at least in 1 or 2 shades every update, and now I'm like doing really bad. Definitely need to focus on Project Pan products, guys. And then the last 3 products are lippy products. Okay, so this was put in my 6-month mark, and I just measured, and I don't have any progress. It's still in the same spot there, as you can see. The line and the lipstick line perfectly together. Don't have update on that. I also had this Kat Von D Studded Kiss lipstick in the shade Lovecraft. And I am also... I'm pretty much to the same line I was last time, so no progress here. And then for this product right here, the Maybelline Color Whisper in shade Pinna Peach. I've actually used this a few times as cream blush, and I thought I would have some update, which I do have like a sliver of update, but I didn't mark it because it's, if I make the line to what I was last month, it's just gonna be like right next to it. So I figured why even mark it. So you guys, I've been doing super bad. I don't know how I'm expecting to hit 19 in 2019. Yet last year, you guys, I hit 18 in 2018. So I was like, let's do this 19 in 2019 because we got this, and we haven't really been. I have used up 9 out of 19 products, which is good. But next month for sure, guys, I'm going to do it. I'm going to hit my goals for next month. So let's go ahead and jump into the products that I'm going to reel in for the products I used up. So of course, I'm going to replace my Smashbox primer water with another setting spray. This is more of like a hydrating spray. This is the Pacifica Rose Flower Hydro Mist. I've had this for a little bit, so that's the reason why I put it in this project. So I'm going to go ahead and mark it now so I know where I'm at. So it looks like I'm just like right under the Pacifica label here. So this is my intro. I'm hoping to finish this up in the next 4 months. I think I can use up like half of it at least in the next, by the next update. And then during the finale, I should finish this up. And then for my Lorac Behind the Scenes Eye Primer, I decided to put this in here. This is a little sample size, but for somebody that doesn't really like cream contour, I feel like this will kind of challenge me a little bit. So this is the Hoola Quickie Contour Stick. And this is new. I've never used it, and there isn't that much product in here, but again, like you guys, I have like a lipstick that has like a sliver and I still haven't finished it in a previous project, so this is quite a bit of product for me. So I will go ahead and mark this as well. I am going to try to finish this up also, so yes. And then the last product I'm going to put in for the powder, loose powder I had, is going to be my MAC Studio Fix powder. This was actually in my project last year and I took it out of the project, but I'm going to go ahead and put it in because I am almost done with this one. So I figured once I finish this up, this will be something that I can focus on. So again, Studio Fix powder by MAC. This is in the shade C3. I used to use this all the time. This was like the only product I used on the face. I never used like liquid and powder like I have been lately. But as you can see, there is pan in this. So my goal is just to finish this product up and hopefully I meet my goal. So yeah, I have 3 new products to put in this project. And yeah, if you guys are doing any project pans, let me know down in the comment section below. Also, if you think I did pretty good, give me a thumbs up because, you know, this is a lot of work to do like project panning and shop your stash. Keep a lookout because in the next day or 2, I'm going to be uploading my graveyard project pan as well. So that is another project I am also working on this year. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this project pan update. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!